Hi everyone, and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a crochet Pokeball. For this you're going to need double knit wool in white, red and black, a 3.5mm hook, scissors, a stitch marker and stuffing. So starting off with, we'll be making the button. So starting off with, for round 1, using white wool, we'll be doing 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, we'll be doing 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. For round 3, we'll be doing 1 single crochet and 1 increase, leaving you with 18 single crochets. Then for round 4, you'll be changing to black wool and then doing 2 single crochets and 1 increase, leaving you with 24 single crochets. At the end of this, you'll slip stitch and fasten it off and leave a long tail for sewing. Now moving on to part 2, the ball. So using red wool, for round 1, you'll be doing 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, you'll be doing 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. For round 3, it's 1 single crochet and 1 increase, leaving you with 18 single crochets. For round 4, it's 2 single crochets and 1 increase, leaving you with 24 single crochets. For round 5, it's 3 single crochets and 1 increase, leaving you with 30 single crochets. For round 6, it's 4 single crochets and 1 increase, leaving you with 36 single crochets. For round 7, it's 5 single crochets and 1 increase, leaving you with 42 single crochets. For round 8, it's 6 single crochets and 1 increase, leaving you with 48 single crochets. From rounds 9 to 12, you'll be doing 48 single crochets all the way around. I would recommend that you pause here to complete rounds 9 to 12. Now coming back, you'll be changing over to black wool, and for rounds 13 to 14, you'll be doing 48 single crochets all the way around. Now you'll change to white wool, and from rounds 15 to 18 you'll be doing 48 single crochets all the way around. Once again, I would recommend pausing here so you can complete rounds 15 to 18. For round 19, you'll be doing 6 single crochets and 1 decrease, leaving you with 42 single crochets. For round 20, you'll be doing 5 single crochets and 1 decrease, leaving you with 36 single crochets. For round 21, you'll be doing 4 single crochets and 1 decrease, leaving you with 30 single crochets. For round 22, it's 3 single crochets and 1 decrease, leaving you with 24 single crochets. For round 23, it's 2 single crochets and 1 decrease, leaving you with 18 single crochets. Now using the stuffing, you will stuff the ball until it feels firm. For round 24, you'll be doing 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, leaving you with 12 single crochets. And for the final round, round 25, you'll be doing 6 decreases, leaving you with 6 single crochets. You'll finish with a slip stitch and leave a long tail to sew up the hole. Now, using a wool needle, you'll use the white tail to sew up the hole. Now finally onto part 3, attaching the button. You'll be attaching it here where you can see where the black rose started and finished. Firstly, you'll take the white tail and thread it through to secure it in place. Then using the black tail, you'll attach the button to the ball. And now you're all finished. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading new crochet tutorials weekly. If you have any ideas for crochet patterns or crochet tutorials you would like me to make, I'm always open to suggestions if you just leave a comment down below.